How to get AirTalk Wireless account number and PIN. Hey everybody, welcome back. If you are wondering how, you may follow up this step. So in order to do so, you need to head over to AirTalk support, as if you have forgotten your number and PIN, the only method is going ahead with the provider that provided you, or directly heading over to AirTalk support. So go to airtalkwireless.com, and once you are there, you will be finding a form. So in order to contact the team, you need to fill up the form. For that, you need to enter up your full name in this first section, and your email address, and then your phone number that you provided. After that, your legal date of birth, your SSN, and your enrollment ID. Once that is done, tap on select a reason. And from here, you can go ahead and select the option like port in request. And after that, question like how can I get my account number and PIN, the 4-digit PIN that you're looking for. After that, tap and submit. And once you do that, they should probably help you out. If they didn't reach you out, you'll be finding a number also here. You can directly contact them by dialing on this number given on your screen, which is this +1 206 8551. So we have this time of Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. CST, and Saturday is 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. CST. So make sure to call between those hours if you're trying to dial them. So for now, you may follow up this method in order to do so. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. And thank you for watching this video.